Good morning. Today is Sunday, January 5th, around 11 a.m. So I'm just doing an impromptu walkthrough through the Distillery District while the Christmas market stalls are still here. Oh, that's neat. That's a very friendly pigeon. Sorry, sweetheart. So it's gonna get away from the music. This is brand new here from last time I've been here at Italy. It used to be like a high-end men's clothing shop. So you can see the tree up ahead, but I'm just going to turn into here on Tank House Lane. So all the stalls aren't open yet. Although it's coming to noontime right now. So I don't know exactly when they open up. There's more of a crowd here than earlier. So I was walking here and just seeing how everything was. I love how they set everything up for Christmas. It's so magical and so beautiful. So a lot of these restaurants here, they actually brew their own spirits or beer. So that one was pure spirits that we were at. And this is the Mill Street Brew Pub. They actually brew beer here. Also a pretty good restaurant. This place is great. They give chocolate making demonstrations. There's so much chocolate. Now to the right here, that's one of the condos. Not much to look at. You can see the stalls here. One thing I like about this place, it's a lot of specialty shops, bakeries and restaurants, stores as well. Nothing corporate. Here we have the what's this called again? The Young Center for the Performing Arts. So we're just going to go into one of the main buildings here. There's more shops, and that's actually where the washrooms are. Here we go. See, now they even have like the old machinery was used to, I guess, build the barrels for the spirits and whiskey. It's a big copper kettle. I guess I don't know. There's all the tools though that they have. Well, it's a really old telephone. All these tools are needed in order to distill spirits. Okay. Moving on, we'll go see the rest of the Distillery District. It's currently really cold outside. I think it's like -8 or something Celsius. So that was a good little break from the cold air. Okay, some more stalls. Artisan grilled cheese. $9 for grilled cheese. Up to $17. Christmas dinner. Malted French brie, shaved turkey, cranberry relish. Whoa, that's interesting. So yeah, there are a lot of these pictures that tell the history of the Distillery District. The bar here, outside bar, Grinch's Grill. These are decent prices. Smoked chorizo, pork, sausage on the bun, farmer's pork, turkey sausage, all charcoal grilled. Thirsty Owl. I did a video here a couple months ago. I mentioned that this place here used to be like artists had little stores here where they created all their art and sold them. But now it became a French school. But now it looks like there are some pretty cool things here. Or maybe it's saying that the shops going over to the right here. That's what all those shops are. Okay. No alcohol beyond this point. Okay. So another spot if you need to go to the washroom. It's always open. Pepper Palace as well. Hot sauce. This is new. Toronto Pen Shop. They sell pens, I guess. Jewelry and stuff here. Jenny Greco. Pet store. Bean Company. Sweetie pie. And more stores here. We have stuffies. Turning fishnets into fabric. Interesting. Alright. This art installation, I affectionately call it the egg beater. Because it looks like an egg beater. And here is Balzac's coffee shop. It's really nice inside. The Christian Dior tree at night looks really nice. I was here a few days ago, and it's different when it's at nighttime. Now this building here, the white building, this is the oldest building. It's in the Distillery District. I forgot how old it is. I think it might be the late 18th century. Where the rest here is 19th century. Or, yeah. Oh, sorry. 19th or 20th century. Peace. Oh, over here there used to be two bridges, one cut off from each other, and it's kind of cool because you can have one person on one bridge, the other person on the other, and they try to reach for each other, but there was that big gap between them. That was a cool picture. This here, Springwater Sake Company, they actually grew sake. I think that's one of the only ones in Ontario. They actually brew their own sake. Now this structure here, the big giant spider, or have you ever seen War of the Worlds, the one with Tom Cruise? I think Dakota Fanning when she was young. This reminds me of that. Those walking things, and then they beam people up into the circular cage up there. Two cinematic shows, one ticket, Light Bright, Worlds of Wonder and Space and Experience Beyond Earth. I guess it's in here somewhere. Far down there's Parliament Street. That's the end of one part of the Distillery District. I'm just gonna head back here. District Pizza. Some more photos of what this building used to be. Looks like secretary's business office. 1918. Bacteriological lab. 1916. Illuminarium. Smash burgers. I was going to try to mask the music so I don't get copyright. Blah 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 blah. I see nothing. Blah 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 blah. Too much music. Blah 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 blah. I guess I can't escape the music. Please don't strike me. Okay, Gooderham and Wards Limited. More stores here. There's Queen's Trunk. Yeah, this is so nice at nighttime. Maybe if I get a chance, I'll do another video for a nighttime walk. Tropical berries. And the overly friendly pigeons. Hi, pidgeys. Visit Florida. I'm gonna check that out next time. Well, the music is getting stronger here, louder. So now I'm just going to end the video here. Guys, thank you again for coming along with me on this walk. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. I like this guitar. All right, guys. See you soon. Peace.